Here's a cheap phone holder for your Mini that is very easy to install. It even works on shaky roads. The only thing you need is a rubber band, and this is the principle how to install it. So you just create a simple loop, and of course not on the steering wheel, but on one of the air vent fins. Pick one of the upper ones and create the loop. Just make sure to have a good rubber band so it doesn't break, and you don't want to have your phone fall under one of your pedals, for example braking pedal. And then you place the phone on the knob to give it some more stability. And preferably you also plug in the charging cable to have some extra stability. It's easy to plug out or remove, and then to make it look a bit more clean, just wrap it around the knob or just leave it there hanging. More useful tips like these will be released soon, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.